Now what we're going to do is we actually want to check to see if the and saw our files here. We want to first of all remove the two dots and the single dot, and then lastly we'll try to make that file a clickable hyperlink. Okay, so now the first thing first, we're going to remove the single dot and the two dot. Now to do that, we'll use an if statement. Now we'll say if. Now inside the while loop, we'll use the if statement. Okay, now if file is not equal to, if it's not equal to single dot, okay, written like this, and if file, let me give space for that on that so that it will be more neat, is not equal to double dots like this. Okay, now we want it to do something. Okay, now what we want it to do is we want it to echo this. That means we'll have to put another curly brace here, and then we'll move this once. Now let's save that and see if our code is correct. Now I'll refresh that, and you see the single dot and the double dots are gone, and we'll have just our listed files. I don't know if you get that, but if you don't, take a close look at the code and then try to understand what we're doing here. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do is we want to make those files a clickable link, so that once you click on them, they become what a hyperlink that takes you to display the content of the folder or the content of that particular file. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do is, before we echo, or we are going to echo the file as a href. Okay, if you do HTML, you know what a href is. Now a href is more like assigning a hyperlink to a particular word. Okay, so we are going to do that on line 16 here. Okay, we're going to update line 16 and make it a word, a href. So now to do that, we are going to write it like this using our anchor tag. Now a href, okay, is equal to, is always in double quotes, but let's do it like this. Now is equal to directory. Now I'll explain this after typing. Okay, just follow along. It's equal to directory. Okay, and then we'll append it to, let's append this also like this, and then we'll say file. We'll append that to file. Okay, and then we'll still append that to this and this. Then we'll close our href here. Okay, now let me look at that. Now the next thing is, this is what we are linking to. Okay, now we need to write what we are linking. Okay, we are linking to this. Then where are we linking from? Now we are linking from our file. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. We are linking from our file, so that will be written like this. So we'll write that, we'll append it to file. Okay, and we'll append it to this. Then we'll have our closing anchor tag there, and then a break tag. I think this is it. Now let's quickly check that to see if it works, then I'll explain it and tell you what we did there. Very good. Now you discover that when we click on this, it shows us what is inside. You click on this, it shows us what is inside. You click on this, it shows us what is inside. Now what we did here was, you know, in a normal in a normal HTML tag, you say your anchor tag written like this, you say ahref. Okay, just follow along. We're trying to explain something. Now the first thing you're going to do is you try to write where you are linking to. Okay, now this is a directory. I don't know if you get that. This is a directory. Okay, we open a directory here and we assign that with a variable called directory. So it's more like directory slash the file. Okay, now in this case the file is first file.txt, second file.txt. So you have directory, so the directory now will be all the way from your C, okay, semicolon slash, okay, it navigates up to the point where that particular file is. So the dollar directory here takes care of the directory right from the local drive C up to the point where this file is located. Then this one calls on the file. So now all this here becomes where you are linking to, and then the file is where you are linking from. Then this closes our anchor tag and we'll have a break tag here. Okay, so now we discover that when you check that, your code comes out perfectly well and is working without errors. Okay, now if you don't understand that, take a very good look at the code. It's very understandable, and then it can be used in real life examples, especially when you want to maybe you have an image gallery and you want to list the files or the images in your gallery. I think this is one of the easiest ways to do that. So take a very good look at the code, understand it, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll be looking at how to delete and rename files in a directory.